Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. Thanks for joining me. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how I made this 6 feet wood beaded garland, and I have it displayed for the holidays on my fireplace. Also, I added in a few of homemade yarn ornaments that I made, but that will be for the next video. But this is also an item that you can use, make it at any size you would like, and have it displayed all year long with your decor inside your home. So come on in and let me show you how I made this garland. So the items are these larger wooden beads I got from Amazon, white Waverly chalk paint, and 3 rings of wooden beads that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I loosened one and painted it with the white paint. And then the next thing I did was took the natural color wooden beads that I'm going to use and not paint those, and I'm going to take them off of the wire that they came on, and I'm actually going to thread on the larger beads on this one to paint those white, because I found that it was easier to put them on the wire and then paint them rather than trying to paint in each individual bead separately. And once I completed that, I took some jute rope and measured it out to the length that I wanted my garland to be, which I made this garland about 6 feet. And I used about 2 pieces of it instead of just one single piece. And then this is how long I'm going to use it. I'm going to thread my beads on there. So when I thread on my first bead at the end, I'm going to make a temporary knot at the end to hold it there. But before I finish it, to add the ending on the tassel on the end, I'm going to loosen that knot just to hold everything there. Here, that's what I'm doing. I'm tying the bead as the temporary knot on the end. And then, of course, the next thing I did was started to thread on all of my beads in a pattern that I chose to do. This can be randomly done, do it however you would like, but I did a pattern with my beads. Now, once I've added all my beads on the rope, I'm going to take this Nautica rope from the Dollar Tree and make my tassel. And just as a rule of thumb, I took a piece of cardboard, the length that I would want my tassel to be, and I wrapped the rope around it a couple of times because this Nautica rope is very thick. So I just wrapped it around about 2 or 3 times, and then I'm just gonna tie in some jute rope to knot it together to make the tassel. And so the next thing I did was take a comb and a brush to loosen the rope up because it is twisted tight. So you want to do that and loosen it up. Now, adding this tassel onto the end of the rope, I should had did this before I got to the end, and now I have to take some off to loosen it up a little bit so I can get that temporary knot that I put in there at the beginning. And I'm going to add the tassel in on that end, and then I'm going to add another tassel in on the other end. And once I've cut off the excess string rope from here, you have the final look of my garland that I made, and I am very happy with the way it came out. This is definitely a garland that you can use all year long. You can decorate with it throughout your home, and it's not just a garland for Christmas. And as I said earlier in this video, you will see here I added in some homemade yarn ornaments to it to make it more like Christmas, and I will definitely keep this up pretty much all year long. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications on all of my future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.